In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a project in Asana. If your sidebar is getting crowded or you're receiving updates you no longer need, leaving a project is a quick way to clean up your workspace without affecting your team's work. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open Asana and head straight to the project you want to leave. You can get there from your sidebar, your recent projects, or the search bar. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace or team, especially if you belong to multiple organizations. Double check the project name so you don't accidentally leave a similarly named one you still need. Once you're inside the project, look for the area that shows who has access. This is usually at the top near the project title and may appear as a share button, a panel with member avatars, or a link labeled members. Click that to open the project's member list. You'll see everyone who can view or collaborate on this project. Now find your own name in the list. Your profile will typically display your name and role, and in some cases, your permission level. If the list is long, there may be a way to filter or quickly scroll. Just make sure you've selected your own entry and not someone else's. Next, open the options menu beside your name. This is commonly represented by 3 dots, a small arrow, or a context menu icon. Clicking it reveals actions related specifically to your membership in the project. Choose the option to remove yourself or leave the project. Depending on your plan or interface, it may read leave project, remove from project, or something similar. Selecting this won't delete the project or its tasks. It simply ends your access and stops notifications from coming your way. You'll likely be asked to confirm. Read the prompt so you know exactly what will happen, then approve the action. This confirmation is there to prevent accidental removals and to clarify that your teammates will retain all their work. Finally, verify that you're no longer part of the project. Navigate back to your sidebar or project list and check that it no longer appears under your active or starred projects. If you still see it momentarily, a quick refresh can help your view update. You should also notice that task updates and inbox notifications from that project stop coming through. That's it. By leaving the project, you've kept your Asana focused on the work that truly needs your attention without disrupting your team's progress. If you ever need access again, a teammate with the right permissions can add you back.